Okay, a very good morning children. Welcome back to online session of subject mathematics of 6th class. Hope you all are very fine and staying healthy in the present situation. So in the previous class we are discussing about the patterns in the whole numbers. So how the geometrical elements, geometrical shapes will take part in the whole numbers. Okay, that means with the help of regular shapes of geometry, so like a line, dot, triangle, rectangle, triangle, okay, square. So how those shapes will be formed with the help of the whole numbers. Is it right, children? So already I have given one of the homework as forming the triangle, with the number of dots. So if you want to check the answer, you can see the answer. So I said to make a pattern with a rectangle, with a triangle. Make a pattern with the whole numbers of a triangle. Okay. So with the help of dots. So that means with the help of these dots, you should form a triangle. So up to 5 steps you should find out. So in the yesterday's class we have discussed of 3 steps. We have discussed 3 steps. So what are the next 2 steps? 4th step and 5th step I told you to do. Okay. So I think so you have done very good. So but if you want to check your answer, you can check. So you open your homework book where you have written that homework and you can check the answer. If any changes, you can do the changes. Okay. So first I said to form a triangle. Is it right, children? So first we should have a clear idea about what is our homework and what we should do and what are the given things in that homework. For that homework, so triangle with the dots, triangle with the dots of whole numbers, triangles with the dots of whole numbers. Okay. Okay, this triangle is one of the pattern. Okay, this is a pattern we should assume. Okay, so first in the yesterday's class what we said, so for every pattern will be having some measures of whole numbers, So what is the minimum number of lines what is the minimum number of dots to form a triangle? What is the minimum number of dots to form a perfect triangle? So what is the minimum number? So minimum is 3. Is it right, children? So if there are 3 dots, very basically if there are 3 dots, then we can form a triangle. Is it right, children? How we can form? We can form a triangle like this. So one dot here, another dot here, another dot here. Okay. So every dot should be equidistant with each other. Equidistant means same distance. There should be same distance. So after keeping the dots, you should have a clear vision for the triangle pattern. Okay. So now if you join these 3 means what will happen? So if you join these 3 means there is a vision of a triangle shape. Is it right? Triangle shape. So this is the required. So in the triangle, these three dots are called vertex. So that one you will be learning in the geometry classes. Okay, in the geometry unit, in the geometry chapter, you can able to learn. So these 3 are the vertex. So for every triangle there will be 3 vertex. For every triangle there will be 3 vertex. Okay, vertices, 3 vertices. Okay, vertex is a single. Vertex is singular. Okay, in the English singular plural how it will be? Singular means vertex. If one dot is called a vertex. If 3 dots means you should say as a vertices. You should say as vertices. Okay, this is singular and this is plural. Plural means more than one. Okay, so vertex, vertices. So in the triangle there are 3 vertices. Okay, so that one you will be already you will be learning in the geometry part. Okay. So that one we don't want now. Okay, so here what we need, see a triangle with the dots, with three dots we can form a triangle. Okay, is it right? Now if we increase, can we increase the number of dots by forming a triangle? Can we increase the number of dots by forming a triangle? So yes, we can, of course we can, because see here with the three dots we can form. So if I keep another two dots here, means another two dots will be coming. So see, this one is also one of the triangle. Is it right, children? This is also one of the triangle. So just take this one only. So this vertex and this vertex. So this is also one of the triangle. So whatever you are seeing on the screen, that is also one of the triangle. That is a triangle. This is also one of the triangle. So this is a big triangle. Is it right, children? So that means, so every triangle, every dot in between two dots there is a equal distance. So like that you should be able to take. So that means more than 3 we can take, but there is a specific number. There is a proper number of proper number of dots to form the triangle. Like we have seen in the yesterday's class, like line, rectangle, square. Square means only perfect squares are coming. Perfect numbers are coming. Okay, that means 2 to 4. 4 with 4 dots only we can form a square. Next 4 16. With 16 squares we can form a square. Okay, so like that 4 16 25 36 48 49 7 like that we have taken. So here also for the triangle, first minimum basic number is 3. So 3 after 6. Okay, so if you want to find, how can we find the number? How can we find the number of dots? Means there is one simple trick. So first you keep a dot. Okay, so this is one dot. With one dot we can't form. Okay, next suppose number it as 1. Number this as 1. Okay, next here one dot, here another dot. Okay, number this one also as 1. Okay, this two also number 1. Okay, 1 1 1. Okay, 1, this is 1 into 11. So 1 and 1. Okay, so at the two ends you should keep the ones only. Okay, at this end and that end, at the left end and right end you should keep only ones. Okay, afterwards again here also you keep 1. Okay, name it as 1, and next here also you name it as 1. Okay, sorry. Okay, next now in between two numbers, in between two dots, so in between two dots you keep another dot. So if in the previous line if there are two dots, means take the center of that take the center of those two dots, and in the next line you keep at the center, at the middle of that line. Okay, so this is, you number it as a 2, because 1 plus 1 is 2. Is it right? So 1 plus 1 is 2. Okay, now 1 2 3. So this is 3. Is it right, children? So with the help of 3 we have completed. Now next, now 1 2 3 4 5 6. Is it right, children? Next again here 1 is a, 2 is a. So in between these two dots, take the center of these two dots, and in the next line you keep here 1 plus 2 is, what is 1 plus 2? 3. You write down 3. Okay, next here 2 plus 1 3. So here also in the center you take this dot and name it as 3. Okay, so at the left hand and right hand you compulsory you should keep 1. Okay, this is one dot, this is another dot. Now count how many dots are there. 1 2 3 4 5 6. So see, with the 6 dots we can also form a triangle. Next up to here 6 7 8 9 10. So next is 10. Okay, that 10 is also we have completed. Next again here 2 dots are there. So in between two dots take the center. Okay, so take the center. 1 plus 3 is 4. You name it as 4. Okay, next 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3 is 6. Here you name it as 6. Next 3 plus 1 4. Here you name it as 4. Okay, I hope so you are understanding. Next at the last you keep 1, and here last you keep 1. Okay, so like this. So here up to here 10, up to here 10 dots. Next 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That means after 10, what is the next number? 15 is the next count for forming the triangle. 3, 6, 10, 15. So 4 completed. Next, what is the next step? So again you add this two. 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 1 is 5. Name it as 5. Next, 6 plus 4, 10. 6 plus 4, 10. Next, 6 plus 4, 10. Next, 4 plus 1, 5. Okay, and here one dot, here another dot. Okay, so here 1 and here 1. Okay, 1, 5, 10, 10, 5, 1. That means now how many number of dots are? Up to here is 15. Okay, next 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. So next count is 21. So 21. So 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. So like this, every number is going to increase by itself. Is it right, children? So in between two dots, if you add, you should add, and in the next line at the center you should write that number. Okay. So like that at the corners you should keep ones only. So this is how this is looking, means 1 into 11 is 11. 11 into 11. So what is 11? 11 into 11. So into 11. So repeatedly if you are multiplying with 11, these are the results for that answer. This will be the result for that answer. So that means, so first 1 into 11. How much? 11. Next 11 into 11. How much? 121. 1, 2, 1. Next 121 into 11. What is this one? 1, 3, 3, 1. 121 into 11 is 1, 3, 3, 1. Again 1, 3, 3, 1 into 11. What is this answer? 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Okay, if you want you can do the product, then you will get the same answer. Okay, so next 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 into 11. What is this answer? So here for this 10, 10 is coming. So for this we have to check once again. Okay, 1, 4, 6, 4, 1 into 11. What will be the result? We have to check. 1 into 1. 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. Next 1, 4, 6, 4, 1. So multiplication with 1 only. So that's why the same number will be coming. So here 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 4 plus 6, 10. 0 here, 1 in the next place. 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 1, 11. Again 1 is here. 4, 5, 6. Next 1. So that means here what is the result? So 161, 161, 0, 5, 1 is the answer. So 14641 into 11 is 161051. So that means number is, number is this pattern is looking like a multiplication with 11. Repeated multiplication with 11 is this pattern. Okay, so like this it will become. So your 5 steps are 3, 6, 10, 15, 21. Okay, so I hope so you have understood this homework very easily. Okay, so if you get this 5 steps means, so that is good. If not, so you can do the edit option. Okay, you can check this answer and you can correct it. Okay, so this is about yesterday's homework. So now today we shall go with one more topic, the same patterns only. So these patterns, it will be going on increasing. After 21 it won't end. So after 21 also it will be going on increasing. Okay, so how many steps the examiner is asking, that many we should able to do. Okay, so generally they will ask only for small steps only, because so many steps they won't ask. It is a waste of time. So that how many, so why means they will check your ability, your capacity. Can you do this topic or not? That they will check. Okay, so that one. So instead of that one, there won't be any other thing. So, but you should remember. So I think so. This concept you might be listen somewhere else. Okay. So as a funny reasons, as a funny, you have done this one. Is it right, children? So this type of one more thing. This type of problems will be used as a in the mental ability also. In the mental ability. Suppose for Olympiad exams, you might be heard somewhere, okay, in your community or in your society. So you might be heard. So here, what in the Olympiad exam, they will be asking this type of questions only. Okay. So see the pattern and write the following answer. So they will give some type of relations with that. Okay. So here the next one is patterns. Next concept is patterns. Patterns of numbers. Patterns of numbers. Okay. In the previous class, we have saw patterns of shapes. Patterns of shapes for the whole numbers. Okay. So geometrical shapes we have seen. Now patterns of numbers. In the numbers only, how the patterns will be there, you have to check. Suppose if a number is a you want to do an addition very fastly. So how can you do? Suppose a big number is a, suppose 258 plus 28. Okay, 258 plus 476 he was given. 258 plus 475 he was given. So you want to do this one very fast. So instead of general addition, so general addition means 258 plus 475. Instead of doing like this, you want to do directly. So how you can do directly? So that means here you have to convert any one number into the easiest form. Easiest form means just taking the tens or hundreds or thousands or 10,000s or anything. Okay, convert any one number into the multiples of hundreds or tens or thousands or 10,000s or any other thing. Okay, so that you can easily find the solution. Very fast. Okay, so see, suppose 258 plus 475 is there. So you want to do this very fast. So for this, what you have to do? First 258 as usual you will write. Next plus 475 instead of 475. So how you will change this one means subtraction of two numbers. Suppose 500. Okay. 475 is there now. So okay. Instead of this number, we shall say this one. Okay. Suppose 348 plus 25 is it? 348 plus 25. Directly you want to say this one, this answer. 348 plus 25 plus 25. So okay. So 348 plus 25. So what will be the result? So directly first 348 as usual you will be writing. So 25 means so directly you won't write 25 like this. So 25 you will be keeping as 50 minus 25. Is there any problem if I keep like this? 50 minus 25 is 25. 50 minus 25 is 25. So that means here 348 plus 50 minus 25 is I have extended plus 25. I have extended plus 25 like this. Is it right, children? Is there any problem? So no problem. So 348 plus 50 minus 25 I have said. So here 348 plus 50. What is 348 plus 50? So if you know the Bodmas rule, see here, BOD A, yes. In the bottom of B means brackets. First of all, you should solve the brackets. If there are brackets means first you should solve brackets. Next D, divisions. M, multiplications. A, additions. Then afterwards at last subtraction you should do. So which is first here? Here addition is there, subtraction is there. First what you should do? Addition you should do. Okay. So that means 348 plus 50 you should do. So what is 348 plus 50? 8 plus 0, 8, 4 plus 5, 9, 3 plus 0, 3. So 398 is the answer. So 398 minus 25. Now subtraction is there. So 398 minus 25 you do. Okay. So 398 minus 25. So what is the result? So minus. So 8 minus 5, 3. 9 minus 2, 7, 3. Okay. 373 is the answer. 373 is the answer. Suppose if you add this two also, you will be getting this same answer only. So 348 plus 25. What is the result? So 8 plus 5, 3. 8 plus 5 is 13. 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, 3. So 373. If both are getting tallied, so whatever you have done, that is correct. So that means, so converting any hard number into easiest terms of tens, hundreds, or thousands, or 10,000, like that. Okay. So this is about the addition. So if there is a subtraction, how you should do? If there is a subtraction, suppose okay, 295 plus 9 is there. 295 plus 9. So you want to know directly. You want to know it very easily. So instead of counting with fingers also, how can you say? So 295 plus 9 is there now. So 295. I am changing plus 9 into subtraction of two numbers. So plus 10 minus 1. Can I write? 10 minus 1. So 295 plus 10. What is 295 plus 10? 395. Is it right, children? So 395 minus 1. What is 395 minus 1? 394. Okay. If we add this also, the same result will be coming. So you can check. Okay. 295 plus 9. What is 295 plus 9? 9 plus 1. 9 plus 5. 14. 4, 1. 9 plus. Just wait. See here, 295 plus 10 we want to find. So 295 plus 10. What is 295 plus 10? 5 plus 0, 5. 9 plus 1, 10. 2 plus 1, 3. So 305. So 305 minus 1. 305 minus 1. So 305 minus 1 is 304. Okay, 295 plus 10. Sorry. So actually here I thought that there is 100. So if there is 100 means 395 will come. So here 295 plus 10 means 305. 305 minus 1 is 304. Now you check here. Okay. So 9 plus 1 10. 2 plus 1 3. So both are getting tallied. So your result is equal. So this is in the form of addition. So here if you keep 9. Okay. Like this. Next suppose 295 plus 99. So here we have done with the greatest single digit number. Now we are doing with the greatest double digit number. How you can do? So 295 plus 99, how you can write? You can write as 100 minus 1. Now you can write as 100 minus 1. So 295 plus, so 295 plus 100 minus 1. 295 plus 100 is 395. Now 395. So 395 minus 1 is 394. 394. Okay. So 295 plus 99. You can check means you will get the same result. So 295 plus 99. So 9 plus 5 14. 9 9. 18 plus 1 19. 2 plus 1 3. So 394 are getting equal. So you are so like this. Greatest single digit number 10 minus 1. Greatest two digit number is 100 minus 1. If I take greatest 3 digit number, if I take greatest 3 digit number, how it will be? So that means 295 plus 1000 minus 1. So the same process you have to do. So 295 plus 1000 minus 1. So first you do addition of these two, then afterwards whatever the result you get, so subtract minus 1. Okay, that is very easy. So this is about the addition with the greatest single digit number, greatest numbers. Okay, greatest digit numbers. Okay, so like this, with 9, with 99, with 999, with 9999. So like that it will be going on extending. So here this is a pattern. So this is about the addition. So how the subtraction will be done? How the subtraction will be done? Okay. See, suppose the same number I am taking 295 minus 9 I have to do. 295 minus 9 I have to do. So some members will be getting confused. So what is 295 minus 9 means? They can't say very fastly. So for that what you should do? So 295 as it is, when minus 9 will come, when minus 9 will come. So I am writing like this, minus 10 plus 1. So minus 9 I am writing as a minus 10 plus 1. You can write. So 1 minus 10. So 1 minus 10, what is 1 minus 10? So here 10 minus 1 is 9. So for the biggest number, what is the biggest number out of these two? So 10 is the biggest number. For this biggest number, what is the symbol? Minus is it. So minus you should keep for the answer. So what is here answer? Minus 9. So minus 9 is this answer. So I can write as a 1 minus 10 plus 1. Okay. So that means here we are discussing about only whole numbers. Whole numbers means from starting with 0. So before 0 there are some numbers are there. There are some numbers. What are those numbers? Those are negative numbers. Those are negative numbers. So like this type of negative numbers will be coming. 0 before, 0 after what are they? 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on like that. So before 0 what are they? So minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4 like that and so on will be there. So here minus 9 I am writing as minus 10 plus 1. Okay. Now if you take the what is that one? So BODMAS rule, BODMAS. If you take the BODMAS rule, so what is the rule we have to take? So which one we have to do first? So here two signs are there. So minus symbol is there, plus symbol is there. Which is coming first? Addition is coming first. So first we have to do the addition. So this is plus 295. This is 1. So first we should do this two. So 295 plus 1 is 296 minus 10. What is 296 minus 10? 286. Okay, 286 is the answer. If you subtract this one also, you will get the same answer. Okay, so 295 minus 9. Okay, minus. So from 5 you can't remove 9. Okay, so take borrow 10. Okay, so next 10 plus 5 is 15. 15 minus 9. What is 15 minus 9? So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So 6 is the answer. So 15 minus 9 is 6. So that means because 9 plus 6 is 15. Next, here reduce one number 8. So here 8. Next 2. So 286 is matching with this answer. So 286 is the answer. So like this, minus 9 we have to write as a minus 100 minus 10 plus 1. Minus 10 plus 1. So like this subtraction with 9. Next, if you take the 99, if you take a 99, what will be the result? We have to check. Okay. Minus 99. Same method. So 295 as usual. So minus 99 means minus 100 plus 1. Can I write? So that means, so 1 minus 100 is minus 99. Okay. So here 295 plus 1. 296 minus 100. 295 plus 1 is 296 minus 100 minus 100. 296 minus 100 196. So 296 minus 100 is 196. So see children, 296 minus 100. So 6 minus 0 6, 9 minus 0 9, 2 minus 1 1. Okay, so this is the 196 is the answer. If you do the subtraction also, you will get same result. Okay, 295 minus 99. Okay, so from 5 9 borrow 10, 15 9 6. So here 8. So borrow 10, 10 18, 18 minus 9 is 9. Here 1, 196. So 196 is equal to 196. So this is the result. So like this you have to do. So taking any 100, tens, hundreds, thousands and or any other things. Okay. So like that you have to do the subtraction of numbers with the greatest single digit number, greatest two digit number, like that. Okay. So this is about the subtraction. So suppose if you take the multiplication, if you want to take the multiplication also, so same pattern it will be follows. So here suppose same number 295 I am taking into 9 I want to do. 295 into 9. The same number I am taking and I am multiplying with the 9. So here what you should do? So 295 as well into 9. 9 means, so either 10 plus either 10 minus 1 or 10 minus 1 you can take, or 10 plus what you can get. So 10 minus 1 you can take very easily. So you can take 10 minus 1. Okay, because 9 means 10 minus 1 very easily. So in this tens is getting. So now if you take 1 plus 8 means here tens is not there. So 1 plus 8 is also 9 only. But here there should be 110. There should be either tens, hundreds or thousands or anything. Okay, based on this given number. Okay. So 295 into 10 minus 1. Now multiply with this 2. Okay. Now 295 into 10. 2950. Is it right, children? Plus into minus. Minus 295 into 1. 295. Is it right, children? So just see, A into B minus C means A into B minus A into C. A into B minus A into C. 295 into 10. 2950 minus 295 into 1. 295. Okay. So now 2950 minus 295. So you can do like this. 2950 minus 295. So from 0 you can't remove 5. So borrow. 10 minus 5, 5. Next 4. So from 4 you can't remove. So again borrow. Take borrow. 10 plus 4, 14. 14 minus 9. What is 14 minus 9? So you can do. So 9 after you count. So 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. So that is 5. Okay, is it right, children? Next 8. Okay, reduce to one number 8. So 8 minus 2 is 6. Is it right? So 8 after you go to back side. Okay, you go to back side 2 steps. So that is 6. Next 2. 2 is as usual. 2655 is the answer. 2655 is the result for this one. So borrow 10 minus 5, 5. So 4. 10, 14 minus 9 is 5. Next 8 minus 2, 6, 2. Okay, 2655 is the result. So like this you can do. Okay, instead of doing direct multiplication, you can do like this with the help of subtraction. So not only for 9. Okay, if there is 99 means what you should take? 99 means 100 minus 1. Okay, 999 means 1000 minus 1. So like this you have to change the numbers. Okay, is it right, children? So I think so you are understanding this type of problems. Is it right? So these are one type of models. So one problem we should do with the 99. So 295 into 100 minus 1. So 295 into 100. 295 2 zeros. 500 minus 295. Is it right, children? So 29500 minus 295. So 29500 minus 295. So from this 2 we can't take anything. So borrow from 5. Okay. So 10 minus 5, 5. So here 9 will come. 9 minus 9, 0. Next here 4. 4 minus 2, 2. 9, 2. Okay. 29205. 29205 is a result for this answer. 295 into 99 is 29205. Very easily you can do it. Okay. So I think so you are understanding. So this is one type of pattern. Okay. Addition completed, subtraction completed, next multiplication also completed. Okay. Next, if you want to do the divisions also. So for divisions also there will be some type of pattern. Okay. In the rare case, in the very small cases, this division patterns will be allowed. Okay. For example, here in your textbook he was given. So 46 into 5 he was given. So instead of 46 we can take another number. Okay. 79 into 5 we can take. 79 into 5. So 5 means we can do division. Okay. How we can do the division? 79 into 5 means 10 by 2 is 5 only, no? So 79 into 10 by 2. Okay. I have written like this. So now this whole number into this one. So 79 into 10 is 790. 790 by 2. So what is the result for this 790 by 2? So cancel in the 2 table. So 2 ones, 2 threes, 6, 1. So 2 nines, 18, 1. 2 fives. So 395 is the answer. So 79 into 5 is 395. If you want to, you can check. You can cross check. 79 into 5. 79 into 5, if you do the multiplication, you will get the same 395. See, 5 nines, 45, 5, 4. Okay. Next, 5 sevens, 35. 35 plus 4, 395. So 395 is equals to 395. Okay. So like this, you have to do the subtraction, division. So here this is the most important part. This is the most important part. 79. 5 we are doing as a division of 10 and 2. Division of 10 and 2. Okay. So like this. So 10 divided by 2 is the answer for 5. Is the answer as 5. So we are multiplying and we are again dividing. So we got 395, same result. So like this you have to do the pattern. So okay. Suppose if there is if a number is ending with 15. Okay. In the product, if a number is ending with 15, how you should do? Same number I will take. 70. Okay. 76 into 15 is it? 76 into 15. So 15 means here what you should have? 76 as usual into 15 means either subtraction of two numbers or addition of two numbers also you can take. So if I take addition means 10 plus 5 I will take. 10 plus 5 I will take. So 76 into 10. What is 76 into 10? 760 plus 76 into 5. What is 76 into 5? 76 into 5. 5 6 30. 5 7 35. 5 7 35. 36 37 38. So 380 is the answer. So 760 plus 380. So if you do this addition means you will get this result. Okay. So 760 plus 380. 0 plus 0 0. 8 plus 6 14. 1 will be left over. 7 3 10 plus 1 11. So 1140 is the answer for this 760 plus 380. So that means 76 into 15 is 1140. 1140. So then like this you can do the multiplication of the number which is ending with 5. Okay. Any number. So what are the numbers which are ending with 5? So 5 means first 5 will be there. Next 15. Next 25. Next 35. 45. 55. And so on will be. So the number will be continuing. So 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So this type of multiplications also you can do very easily. Okay. Not all the multiplications are hard and not all multiplications are very easy. So like this you have to do. So 5, 15, 25, 35, 45, 55. So like this you have to, you are supposed to go. Okay, so 5 means you should take 10 minus 5. Okay, or else 5 means okay, 15 means 10 plus 5 you should take. So 35 means 30 plus 5 you should take. Okay, by taking this one there is a tens number. So in every terms there is a tens number or hundreds number. Okay, so like this you are supposed to take. Okay, suppose 125 is a 125 means how you will take 100 plus 25. Okay, so that here only tens or hundreds should be there. Okay, some members will take. So how they will take 120? Sir, 125 plus 5 can we take, sir? Means so this can't be correct, because we need either tens, hundreds, thousands or 10,000. So like that only should come. Okay, the number in the separating terms, one number should be any tens or hundreds or thousands or anything. Okay, so instead of like that, if you take 120 plus 5 means it can't be correct. Is it right, children? So like this there are the pattern. Okay, so now we shall go on with the exercise part of this patterns. Okay, I hope you are understanding very easily. Okay, so if we do some problems means you can understand. So exercise 2.3. Yes, first bit. Study the pattern. Study the pattern. Okay, so you are supposed to study the pattern. So in this, how the first problem is given? See, 1 into 8 plus 1 is 9. Next, 12 into 8 plus 2 is 98. Next, 123 into 8 plus 3 is 987. Next, 1 2 3 4 into 8 plus 4 is 9876. Next, 1 2 3 4 5 into 8 plus 5 is 98765. So like this the question was given. So by observing this one, what can you find? Means so there is a regular pattern. So if see, first this into 8 is common for every problem. Next, whatever we are adding, in the next step the number is increasing. So here 1 is there. So in the next step increase it to 2. Next 3, 4, 5. In the next 2 steps what will be? 6, 7, 8, 9 will be there. Okay. So next, see the first numbers. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That means, so the natural numbers are increasing. The whole numbers are taking extra whole number. So this number is taking the extra whole number. So in every step. So here up to 5 is there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next, in the next step 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 will be there. Into 8 like that. 6 into 6. So 1 into 1. 2 is there means plus 2. 3 is there. 3 added. So plus 3. 4 added. Plus 4. 5 added. Plus 5. 6 added. Plus 6. Next 7 will be added. Plus 7 will be there. So like this there will be some series. Okay. So after writing all these things, up to here, after this, what is the question he is asking means, write the next 4 steps. Can you find out how the pattern works? So what will be the next 4 steps? So next 4 steps I am writing here. See. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, in the next step 6 will be added. Into 8. Into 8 is common for every problem. Common for every step. Next, plus here the number is addition is getting increased. So here also plus 6. So plus 3, plus 4, plus 5. In the next step plus 6 is equals to how the result is going on. See, 9, 9, 8, 9, 8, 7, 9, 8, 7, 6, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. That means in every step the result is taking one lesser number. So 9 after 9876, so the next number will be 98765 will be coming. So if you do this problem, this answer will be coming. If you want means you can check from your calculators also. Okay, same result will be coming. So in the next step, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So this is first step. Now second step, 7 into 8 plus 7 is, so 4 after 3 will be there. So 9876543. Okay. So next third step. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 into 8 plus 8 is up to 3 completed, after 2 will be coming. 9876543 2 will be coming. So the next fourth step, last step he is asking. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, here up to 8. So the next number will be 9. Okay, into 8. Into 8 is common for every number. Into 8 plus 9. Okay, here 9 is added, so here also 9. So what will be the result? 9 8 7 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, this is the answer. So I think so you are seeing this as a some 4 number. Okay, so like this the numbers are. So what is the pattern? So what pattern it is following? It is following a decreasing and increasing whole numbers pattern. Decreasing and increasing whole numbers pattern. Okay, so this is about the sorry, this is the solution for this problem. Okay, I think so you have understood. Okay, so next, so like this you should do. Still there are some problems are there. So in the next class we shall do the problems. So I will give you some homework. You are supposed to solve those problems. So first A problem. Same pattern of numbers, so I will be giving. So 345 plus 9, next P is equals to. So with the help of patterns you should do. So what you should do, 9 means 10 minus 1 you should do, and we should write down. Okay, next 72 plus 99, next C 184 plus 999, next T 205 minus 99, next E 120 into 9, next F 47 into just a minute, into 25, 47 into 125. Okay, these are the 6 problems you are supposed to do as a homework, children. Okay, so this what is a bit patterns. Okay, patterns in numbers. Okay, so whatever the patterns they are applying, so you do. Okay, all the patterns I have explained in the previous time. So you recall back to my classes so that every problem will be understanding very easily. Okay, I hope you will be doing this homework very easily. So in the next class we shall do some more problems, some more type of problems in this chapter. Okay, so until then you concentrate very seriously on this. So thank you for attending my class, children. Have a good day, children. Thank you.